Part 4, Expert Opinion, Dr. Gaylen Kapperman.
Okay, one of the major advantages that I see in using the Braille Light to print Braille ink print math symbols is that students who are blind, who are studying mathematics in mainstream regular classrooms, who have sighted teachers, can print their math assignments out and their tests and hand the assignments to their regular sighted teachers math teachers who don't read any Braille, of course. They don't have to give the assignments to their special education teachers, the vision teachers, to ink in the math symbols if that's a necessary kind of thing. It helps the vision teachers, one less thing for him to do, and the blind student has another step toward independence, being able to do his mathematics, communicate with sighted people in mathematics without having to go through another person. I like that a lot. An additional advantage is the individual can do his math assignments on the Braille Light and has all of the editing capabilities of the Braille Light, so he can make changes, he can add, he can delete, he can insert before he or she prints out the print copy. In addition, if the student wants to have a Braille copy of that assignment, he can very easily emboss the same assignment in Braille. Now, there's one disadvantage in that you do not have absolutely genuine, accurate Namath code, you're using computer code, so that, for example, the punctuation is different. It's a simple matter. There are only 7 different punctuation marks that the student has to learn. For example, the period in computer code is .46, and so that if the individual numbered his or her items, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 1 would be the .2 followed by the dots 4, 6. Then that would show up on the print copy as number 1 period, and so forth and so on. Other than that, I believe that it is a very viable way for a blind student to be able to print most math symbols, not all, but the vast majority of math symbols for sighted people, and do it independently. At this moment, currently, there is no direct translation. That is, a student cannot Braille in accurate Namath code, hit the print command, and have accurate mathematics printed out in ink print. We hope that someday that will be a possibility, but at this very moment that is not possible. There is no equipment, there is no software which will enable a student to do that. So this is the next best thing. As a matter of fact, this is the only way that a blind student can accurately print mathematical symbols in ink print. And that's why we recommend this as a part of the instruction program for blind students who are doing mathematics in the mainstream.